Hello everyone, welcome to a new video in the Bold BI deployment series. In this one, I will guide you through setting up an Ubuntu Linux environment with an Nginx server to deploy Bold BI. Before diving into the setup, let's see an overview of Nginx server. Nginx is open source web server software designed to handle high traffic loads efficiently. It is widely used for websites and applications where performance, scalability, and security are required. In this video, I'm using a PuTTY terminal to set up Nginx. The virtual machine is already configured with the required credentials. First, run the command to update the list of available packages for the Ubuntu system. Next, install the Nginx server along with all necessary dependencies. This enables you to host a Bold BI server on the Linux machine. To create and manage zip files, you need to install the zip utility. So, run this command to install it. Then, install the libgdi+ library, which is a GDI+ package for enabling graphics in the Bold BI application. Additionally, install the PV tool for monitoring the progress of data through a pipeline. It allows you to view progress as you move data between files or processes. Next, to install the Bold Data Hub with Bold BI, you will need to install Python 3. In this video, I'm using Ubuntu version 22.04, so I run this command. If you use Ubuntu version 20.04, you will use this command to install the Python packages. I have added a link in this video's description to documentation that contains all the commands I use in this video. Next, install pip and dependency packages for the Data Hub service. Then, set a path to the environment variable by running this command. Now the environment is ready for installing the Bold BI application. In the next video, we will continue with the installation and configuration of Bold BI in the Ubuntu Linux environment using Nginx. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.